Good day, everyone. We're Group 3, and you're watching our video presentation on enhancing Wi-Fi user experience at Hamilton Public Library. The goal of the project is to research on the functionality of the HPL Wi-Fi in terms of user experience across its branches, provide insight into the challenges faced by users, and make recommendations on how this service can be improved using data from the recent survey. Thus, the objective is to, one, enhance Wi-Fi strength, speed, and connectivity to improve user experience. Two, reduce the number of times users will have to accept terms and conditions while using the Wi-Fi. And three, achieve 24 hours access to HPL Wi-Fi outside the library and in the parking lot. My name is Nneka. Over to you, Morenike.
Okay. My name is Morenike, and we compared the results from the 2021 survey that was conducted and also did some analysis of the historical data from 2017. And we were able to draw up on three major problems that the users are facing in the Hamilton Public Library. The first problem is agreeing to terms and conditions with every user signing. The second problem is the slow internet speed that occurs during the peak period in the library. And the last problem identified is the poor signal coverage within the library. I'll hand over to Fadia, who would further emphasize on the desired outcome.
Thank you, Morenike. Now, after analyzing the data, we have come up with desired outcome, which is agreeing to terms and conditions only once every 24 hours, pop-up window that shows that the session time out for the user, providing 24/7 Wi-Fi access outside the branches of HPL, increasing Wi-Fi strength, speed, and connectivity during peak hours. HPL is ready for the changes, and experts analyze the sustainability of implementing the best solution. HPL has already started some pilot approaches to improve Wi-Fi services, such as changing the internet provider, as well as collaborating with City of Hamilton to initiate solar-powered cellular solution to increase the bandwidth of Wi-Fi coverage outside the library's premises. Now I will leave you with Keshina.
Thank you, Fadia. Hello, my name is Keshina Kumar, and I'll be going over the final part of this infographic, which are the next steps at HPL. The first step is to have surveys open for longer to capture feedback. Having a form or a survey which the guests, members, or staff of HPL can access at all times to report an issue they encountered with the Wi-Fi or any of the services. The users will be asked to enter the email, or it can even be submitted anonymously. The second step is to monitor the outcome after the implementation of the solution. This way the gaps can be identified. After implementing a solution, the business analyst will observe and use the service at random times to monitor the outcome. The final step, the final item in the next step is to create a prototype design for the landing page that stays within the staff of HPL. The landing page will contain instructions, user identification details, and finally the terms and conditions which needs to be accepted in order to connect to the network. Please scan the QR code for further details. On behalf of the group and myself, I would like to thank you all for listening.